In this model, we see examples of anticline and syncline. Many times they appear together. The area where the anticline structure runs into a syncline structure is called a limb. The hinge line is the maximum point at the top of the anticline. It runs parallel to the top of the curve. This line is important because it shows closure, a place to hold oil. This concludes Chapter 1. We've talked about how the Earth was formed, the theory of plate tectonics, the internal divisions of the Earth, and its geological structures. It is important for us in the oil industry to understand how the Earth's formations and structures were formed. We can then apply this knowledge to help us locate oil fields and better develop existing ones.